Do you want to be rich? Of course you do. Who doesn't? Wealth creation is not a mystery, it's a science. It's about understanding and applying certain laws. We've gathered 13 laws of wealth creation that you must follow if you want to see your bank account grow. Law number 1, the law of vision. The wealthy always have a clear vision of what they want. Vision is the blueprint of your future success. It's the foundation on which wealth is built. As entrepreneur Oprah Winfrey once said, create the highest, grandest vision possible for your life because you become what you believe. The power of vision cannot be overstated. It's the roadmap to wealth. To create wealth, you must first see it in your mind. Law number 2, the law of self-education. The rich never stop learning. They understand that knowledge is the cornerstone of wealth creation. They invest in books, seminars, mentors, and experiences that broaden their perspective and sharpen their skills. As the legendary entrepreneur Warren Buffett once said, the more you learn, the more you earn. It's not just about earning a degree, it's about a lifelong commitment to learning and growing. To create wealth, you must never stop learning. Laws 3 to 5 are the laws of focus, value, and persistence. Let's dive in. The law of focus dictates that your attention, your energy must be laser-focused on your goals. As the late Steve Jobs once said, focusing is about saying no. It's about concentrating on what truly matters and saying no to distractions. Next, we have the law of value. This law tells us that wealth is a result of the value we provide. As entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk puts it, providing value to someone else is an emotional, not just a business transaction. The more value you provide, the more wealth you can accumulate. Finally, the law of persistence. This law underlines the importance of relentless effort and resilience. As Thomas Edison, the man who made over 1,000 attempts to invent the light bulb, said, "Our greatest weakness lies in giving up." To create wealth, you must focus on what matters, provide value, and never give up. Laws 6 to 8 are the laws of risk, investment, and diversification. Now, wealth creation is not a walk in the park. It's a journey that involves taking calculated risks. As Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, once said, in order to grow and to experience, one must leave his comfort zone. Very often, stepping out of your comfort zone entails taking risks. Next up, we have the law of investment. Remember the golden words of Warren Buffett, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." This emphasizes the importance of investing first, then spending what's left. Lastly, the law of diversification. No matter how tempting it may seem to put all your eggs in one basket, resist. As the saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to managing risk and ensuring a steady growth of wealth. To create wealth, you must take calculated risks, invest wisely, and diversify your investments. Laws 9 to 11 are the laws of innovation, competition, and demand. Delving into the law of innovation, let's recall Steve Jobs' words, "Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower." To amass wealth, you must bring something new and valuable to the table, or improve upon what already exists. Next, we have the law of competition. As Andrew Carnegie once said, "As I grow older, I pay less attention to what men say. I just watch what they do." In the world of wealth creation, actions speak louder than words. You must not only keep up with your competitors, but strive to surpass them. Finally, the law of demand. Just as Sam Walton, the founder of Walmart, said, "There is only one boss, the customer." The key to wealth lies in understanding and fulfilling the needs and wants of your customers. To create wealth, you must innovate, compete, and meet demand. The final two laws are the laws of action and change. Law 12, the law of action, insists that you must make your move. As the legendary Steve Jobs once said, "Ideas are worth nothing unless executed." Then comes Law 13, the law of change. Embrace evolution, for as the insightful Richard Branson noted, you don't learn to walk by following rules. You learn by doing and by falling over. To create wealth, you must take action and be open to change. Let's quickly recap the 13 laws of wealth creation. Firstly, the law of vision urges you to see beyond your current circumstances and focus on your financial future. Next, the law of self-education underscores the importance of continuous learning and personal growth in your wealth journey. The laws of focus, value, and persistence then come into play. Stay dedicated to your financial goals, provide value in whatever you do, and persistently strive toward financial success, no matter the obstacles. Then we have the laws of risk, investment, and diversification. Take calculated risks, invest wisely, and diversify your portfolio to maximize returns and minimize losses. The laws of innovation, competition, and demand highlight the need to stay ahead of the curve, strategically compete in the marketplace, and cater to the demand of consumers. Finally, the laws of action and change remind us that wealth creation is not a passive process. Take action, adapt to changing circumstances, and seize opportunities. In essence, these laws provide a roadmap to financial success. They're not quick fixes, but lifelong principles that, when practiced diligently, can lead to substantial wealth. Remember, wealth creation is not a mystery, it's a law. Now that you know the 13 laws of wealth creation, it's time to put them into action. Let's turn theories into reality, dreams into accomplishments. Don't just keep this knowledge to yourself, share it. Let's create a community that thrives together, empowering each other towards financial success. Remember, wealth isn't just about having money, it's about the freedom and opportunities it provides. Please like and subscribe to Jetset Wealthstyle and elevate your life. Until next time, stay opulent.